Hey guys, I'm Steven Glass, and this is Rooster Hornblow. I'm gonna be giving you guys a bit of a tour today. We're gonna go through a few of the appliances, some of the systems, and show off all the finishing touches in this build. This was a funky one. There's a chandelier. So we're gonna show you all the things like that. As always, you guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I'm putting out videos weekly in our vlog, showing what's going on around the shop. And then every time we finish a build, I'm gonna do a tour like this and actually show you every little detail that the guys put into this. Rooster Hornblow is a 45-foot Thomas school bus. It's got a 18-inch roof raise and is a rear pusher engine. So nice and quiet driving. Always recommend a rear pusher. They're sweet rides. This unit is completely kitted out. It's 4-season, off-grid capable, and has just about every household appliance that you could fit in here. I'm gonna take you guys for a full tour through this thing. Rooster Hornblow. Its owners had some really funky tastes and turned out really cool. So thanks a lot for joining, you guys. We're gonna kick this off up front here. Okay, so first on the list is gonna be this swivel table. We love popping these throughout builds. They're just a super versatile table. It can go up and down, it can swivel, get out of the way, and it can also be moved to different mounts throughout the build. This is gonna serve as a nice little dinner table, side table. The couch itself, fairly simple. Just a couch, 3-seater couch with some back cushions. All custom fabrics picked by the client. Really cool feature on this one, so it's 6-inch cushion on the bottom. Well, I'll just show you what it can do. Okay, so this 3-seater couch turns into a 54-inch wide double bed. It is supported by, let's get these cushions out of the way. So this actually is a split cushion. They are tied together so they won't separate when you're sleeping. Okay, so underneath this bed, or this couch cushion, are 2 drawers. Those are each operated by 600-pound locking slides. So those are located just at each end. Little finger hole there. Couple options here. So these slats do extend when you make the bed. If you were actually just leaving it in couch form though, then you have access to a drawer. So you don't actually have to pull up the slats. Lots of storage here, wheel well underneath, and then same thing on this side. With our cushions, we do recommend a Sunbrella fabric. It's just a super tough fabric. Usually coated with a stain repellent too. All of our back cushions all have zippers so that you can remove it if you get spills on them, throw them in the wash. Okay, on the other side of the aisle here, so passenger side, right when you come up the stairs, you can actually see the edge of a hook here. So we got some coat hangers on the side of this cabinet. We've got a full height wardrobe that opens up. If you guys see red tape everywhere, that's because the client is installing some of their own custom handles once they pick it up. That's just so that we can open it. So, this is set up so I have coat hanging inside and then a couple of shoe racks on the bottom. And then everything is secured for travel with our 20-pound magnet latches. A little further back, we've got a little desk area with a window. That's exactly what it is, nothing fancy there. As we make our way through the living room area up front, actually I've got one more feature I do have to show off right behind you guys. So up above the couch, you might be wondering what this piece of carpet is here. The owners have cats. This is a cat walkway. So they're able to jump up here and that's gonna be their bed. We're moving on back. So that was the living room up front. As we make our way, this is gonna be the first, let's call this the first kitchen cabinet. It is a pantry pullout, 8 inches wide, just a cute little thing. Again, no handles on it, so a little difficult to open. So that pulls out, and we've got a beautiful pantry set up. So these shelves are all adjustable. You can change the heights depending what you want to put in here. Okay, we're now moving into the kitchen. We've got a chandelier in this bus. That could be a first in a skoolie, I'm not sure. If you guys do have chandeliers in your buses, post them below. So huge kitchen, lots of space in here. We've got open shelving up top just to keep it open. Got stone countertops, these are a nice quartz. We've got a very custom sink, huge 36-inch sink. Got a pull-out faucet. We've got a full home kitchen in here, so sink. We've got a propane-powered 4-burner stove top, an oven below with a warming drawer, and then right here is a retro classic fridge by Unique. So that's fridge on top, freezer below, and then right here, a little bit out of the camera, is a dishwasher. Okay, so first appliance in the kitchen, we've got ourselves a dishwasher. So that opens up like that. It's maybe a third of a home-sized dishwasher. Heck of a lot larger than any RV dishwasher I've ever seen. Okay, this is the retro 12-volt DC fridge from Unique. Great looking fridge. So fridge compartment up top, and down below is freezer compartment. Okay, last appliance to show off. That's our Unique 20-inch stove. So 4 burners up top. They've got direct spark. And oven opens up. Tons of space in there to cook. And then we even have a warming rack down below. Up top, we've got ourselves a Rangehood and a custom cabinet for some storage. Okay, that's everything for the appliances in the kitchen. A few other things I'll show off. So on the wall back here, got a huge additional countertop section for some food prep. I'll get out of the way. So that just flipped up off the wall. You've now got some food prep beside the oven. It does block the way, but it's just for cooking. Down below in the corner, we've got some really custom cabinets here. So client wanted drawers, easier to access. So here is our drawer system. So those turned out very cool. So again, we've got magnets on our uppers always. And our drawer systems have touch to release, so you actually have to push them in and push out. So one of the cool custom features in this build was this open shelf. So this is just 1/2-inch copper piping that the guys put together as a little food railing, dish railing. Okay, making our way past the kitchen. Next room is gonna be our studio, so let's pop in there. So inside our studio, right away you're gonna see the acoustical foam on the walls. So these are foam tiles that are stuck on. We've got some charging, we've got a shelf up top, lots of light in here again. We do have 2 shelves on this back wall, and then the door is also insulated. So we have, right now, it is set at a standing mode. We've got ourselves a standing desk. That's about it. So just past the studio is, well, those steps that you guys would have seen earlier in the video. You go up the 2 steps and then you come into the bathroom. So lots to talk about in here. We've got a flush toilet, so it's got its own black tank. We have a full custom shower with a custom vinyl wrap. It's looking a little bit like a Beetlejuice shower. We've got the Nebia Spa shower head, which saves about 60% of your water usage. Just a fabric curtain here. Okay, over here on this side, we've got a stacking washing unit. So washer below and dryer up top. So this is the view from the toilet seat. We have a little mini vanity in here, a little bit of storage below, a little bit of storage up top, and vessel sink sitting on top. Okay, that is it for our bathroom. We are now going to head to the master bedroom. Okay, so master bedroom is accessed, I'm not sure that you guys can see this. We have a barn door right here at the entrance to close off. Big queen bed, lifts up to access all your utilities. You've got a little bit of room on either side with some grab rails to get in and out of bed. His and hers, her and her, him and him, bedside storage. And then we do have a mini split heater air conditioner at the end of the bed. Other than that, not too much happening in the bedroom. We do have reading lights with built-in USB and 2 windows installed. Underneath the bed is a little bit of storage. We've got drawers up front. 4 of those. Under the bed is our utilities. So now's a good time to dive into our power system and talk a little bit of systems. So bed lifts up. Just like that. You've got a little bit of help from the suspension. Okay, so a lot happening underneath our bed. This little block here, these are the drawer storage. So we've got a complete Victron system with carbon bite batteries, and we have the guys over at CBI help us out. They program our systems and put together our complete kits. So this system is massive. It's a complete off-grid unit. We've got 400 amp lithium batteries, 3000 watt inverter. We've got 2 DC to DC chargers, each putting out 20 amps, I believe. And then we have, what is the total? Then we have about 1400 watts of solar on the roof.